Tuned.
Yeah.
And hopefully we won't get any more weather like this. Now this was not today, mind you, but this shot of the hail, that's hail, not snow, covering the road
that's
up.
Recent?
That is recent. That is from back on Tuesday up near
Wow.
Tres Piedras. Paul Durant, he actually lives in Rio Rancho, was on his way back with his family from up in Colorado and said this storm was a mean one. So how about that for the power of some of these summer thunderstorms? It might be hot outside, but these storms do have some cooling potential, and even more than that in cases like this. Now, we don't have anything like that out there tonight. As a matter of fact, most of the thunder and lightning that had accompanied a lot of the thunder showers throughout the afternoon and early evening hours has since given way to nothing more than just a few light sprinkles out there. That's good news for the folks down in Sierra County, where flood advisories are scheduled to expire right on time here in about 11 minutes. Right around 10:30 or so. Still a little light rain out to the west of Socorro, and as we move up towards the north, you'll find a few showers here or there, but things are beginning to settle down for the nighttime hours. Tomorrow, well, temperatures go up, no doubt about that. We're expecting a high temperature by late afternoon, 96 in the metro. For that matter, we'll be a warm 70 when the sun comes up tomorrow, and that 96 forecast for tomorrow puts us officially one higher than the peak temperature today. Today we topped out at 95 at the Sunport. Still a fairly balmy 83 degrees in Albuquerque, 74 Santa Fe, but cooling down as you head up towards Las Vegas. Had a little rain around the Las Vegas area today that kind of helped cool things down. And look at this, lots of clouds across the southwest. You would expect that this time of the year. You know, the monsoon and all. Well, the monsoon is really out here in California, Nevada, and western Utah. Things are coming from the wrong direction to be a monsoon as far as New Mexico is concerned. But still, we're getting the job done. What's happening is high pressure still parked right on top of us. That is responsible for some of this continued heat that we've had. No records, really, but a lot of heat nonetheless. But coming around the outer edge of this is where we find these little disturbances, and they push in what we call backdoor cool fronts because they kind of sneak in from the northeast and work their way back westward. What they do is drop the temperature a couple of degrees. That's always welcome. But more importantly, it's giving us the moisture we otherwise would be missing without the monsoon. So put the moisture in place, you generate the showers and storms, and I think there will be a big uptick in activity by Sunday. Here's the computer forecast model for Saturday. Really going to cluster most of the afternoon showers and storms near the northern mountains. Then as we get on into Sunday and that moisture kind of washes across the state, that's when we really start to see the showers and storms picking up in coverage and in intensity out there. Temperature-wise, we're going to stay on the warm side for several more days to come, though. Even though we will see a drop in temperatures, it's only going to be a couple of degrees, and that drop in temperatures is scheduled more for Sunday than Saturday. Lordsburg, Deming, Tiercy, Las Cruces, Alamogordo, Carlsbad, the list just goes all on and on. These are the areas where temperatures are going to sizzle into the triple digits for tomorrow. Meanwhile, the East Mountain community is looking okay tomorrow. There'll be a spot shower or storm possible, especially on up towards the eastern slopes of the Sandia and the Manzano there. Meanwhile, in the metro, outside chance that a stray shower could come in, but I'm really counting on Sunday as being a better opportunity for seeing rain. Places like Santa Fe, Albuquerque, really, that'll be the case across much of the state. Temperatures coming from the low 90s into the upper 80s as the week progresses in Santa Fe, and from mid 90s to lower 90s in Albuquerque. Still hot out there, but believe it or not, these temperatures are considered normal this time of the year.
But they're not as bad as they were a week ago or so, right?
What was it last Sunday? 100 degrees?
Yeah.
That hurt. Thank you, Jason.